This is the best. This is just so. How it works, like I said, you start it, the song plays. Whoever catches it on the burp, though, loses. All right, guys. So I'm gonna play it with Parker right now. We got the Play Monster SpongeBob, which I'm just gonna give it some respect on the detail.
It looks so freaking cool.
It looks awesome. That's my song. That's my jam.
And he lost me out.
From Play Monster.